Hey everyone, welcome back to Futuristic Rides. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated muscle cars of the future, the 2026 Dodge Charger SRT8 V8. Dodge is taking its legendary performance sedan into the next generation, and this new Charger is combining raw muscle with modern technology in a way that's sure to excite enthusiasts everywhere. Let's talk about what makes this car so special. The design of the 2026 Charger SRT8 is absolutely stunning. Dodge has managed to retain the aggressive stance and muscular proportions we all love, while introducing a more aerodynamic and futuristic look. The front fascia features a bold, wide grille with integrated LED headlights that give it an intimidating glare on the road. The sculpted hood comes with functional air vents that help with cooling, and the body lines are sharper and more defined, improving both aesthetics and airflow. The car sits lower and wider than before, giving it a more planted look that screams performance. Around the back, you'll find a full-width LED light bar, a modern take on the classic Charger taillights, and a quad exhaust setup that leaves no doubt about the power under the hood. Speaking of power, let's talk performance, because this is where the SRT8 really shines. Under the hood, the 2026 Charger SRT8 packs a naturally aspirated 6.4-liter HEMI V8 that produces an impressive 525 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. Dodge pairs it with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and offers rear-wheel drive as standard, with an optional all-wheel drive setup for maximum traction. This car is expected to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4 seconds, making it one of the quickest sedans on the market. The suspension has been reworked for better handling and cornering stability, while massive Brembo brakes provide the stopping power you need when taming all that muscle. It's the perfect blend of old-school American muscle and modern-day engineering. Inside the cabin, Dodge has gone all out to make sure the Charger SRT8 feels premium and high-tech. You'll find a driver-focused cockpit with a large digital gauge cluster, a massive infotainment display with the latest Uconnect system, and high-quality materials everywhere. The seats are heavily bolstered sport seats wrapped in leather and suede, giving you comfort during long drives and support during spirited cornering. Ambient lighting, wireless charging, and premium audio from Harman Kardon make the interior feel like a luxury sports lounge. One unique feature of the 2026 Charger SRT8 is its customizable drive modes, which allow you to adjust throttle response, steering weight, suspension stiffness, and even exhaust sound. Whether you want a quiet daily cruiser or a roaring track machine, this car can transform at the touch of a button. The 2026 Dodge Charger SRT8 is proof that muscle cars aren't going anywhere, and this next-generation model is shaping up to be a true icon for enthusiasts. If you love performance, style, and technology, this car deserves a spot on your radar. Thanks for watching.